How to add new contacts in Google Chat. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Google Chat app. Here we go. You will land to the chat section. Google Chat is a communication platform integrated into Google Workspace Suite, offering a variety of features for real-time collaboration. It facilitates direct messaging between individuals or groups within an organization, enabling seamless communication. Google Chat supports both an integration with third-party apps, allowing for task automation and access to external services directly within the chat environment. Now, how can you add new contact on Google Chat? All you have to do is, at the very top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in the email address of the person whom you want to add in your Google Chat account. Now you have to click on the email address option. Now you have to type in any text and then send it. With that, you have just added this person to your Google Chat account. After this person accepts your request, you will be able to chat with each other. By applying the same process, you can add new contacts in Google Chat. I hope now you guys are clear about how to add new contacts in Google Chat. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.